Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Indian Pharma Guide. Today's lecture Diabetic Retinopathy. Contents: Introduction, Stages of Diabetic Retinopathy, Types of Diabetic Retinopathy, Prevalences of Diabetic mellitus and Diabetic Retinopathy, Pathophysiology of Diabetic Retinopathy, Symptoms, Causes, Risk Factors and Complications. First one, introduction. Diabetic retinopathy is also known as a diabetic eye disease. It is a medical condition in which retina damage due to diabetes and leading to cause of blindness. It is number one cause of blindness in people between the ages of 20 to 64 in the US. At first, diabetic retinopathy may cause no symptoms or only mild vision problem. Eventually, it can cause blindness. This condition can develop in anyone who has type 1 and type 2 diabetes. This diagram about view of normal and diabetic retina. Stages of diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic retinopathy has mainly two stages. One is non-proliferative retinopathy, proliferative retinopathy. In this non-proliferative retinopathy, it is a new vessel formation on the inner surfaces of the retina which subsequently can threaten vision by causing retinal detachment. This is a diagram of non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy. Second stage, proliferative retinopathy. At this advanced stage, the signals sent by the retina for nourishment trigger the growth of new blood vessels. These new blood vessels are abnormal and fragile. They grow along the retina and along the surface of the clear vitreous gel that fills the inside of the eye. This is the diagram of proliferative diabetic retinopathy. Types of diabetic retinopathy. There are two types of diabetic retinopathy. One is early diabetic retinopathy, second one advanced diabetic retinopathy. In this early diabetic retinopathy, it is similar as non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy. New blood vessels are not growing. When the person have NPDR, the walls of the blood vessels in your retina weaken. Next type, advanced diabetic retinopathy. It is similar as proliferative diabetic retinopathy. In this type, damaged blood vessels close off, causing the growth of new abnormal blood vessels in the retina and can leak into the clear, jelly-like substance that fills the center of eye. Next one, prevalences of diabetic mellitus and diabetic retinopathy. Diabetes is now regarded as an epidemic with the population of patients expected to rise to 380 million by 2025. In 2012, an estimated 1.5 million deaths were directly caused by diabetes. Pathophysiology of diabetic retinopathy. A number of interconnecting biochemical pathways have been proposed as potential links between hyperglycemia and diabetic retinopathy. These include increased polyol pathway flux, activation of diacylglycerol pathway, and increased expression of growth factors. This is the diagram for a cascade of polyol pathway. This is the diagram for formation of advanced glycation end products and their role in diabetic retinopathy. Symptoms. Patient might not have symptoms in the early stages of diabetic retinopathy. As the condition progresses, diabetic retinopathy symptoms may include spots or dark strings floating in your vision, blurred vision. Causes. Too much sugar in blood can lead to the blockage of the tiny blood vessels that nourishes the retina, cutting off its blood supply. As a result, the eye attempts for grow new blood vessels, but these new blood vessels cannot develop properly and can leak easily. Risk factors. Anyone who has diabetes can develop diabetic retinopathy. Risk of developing the eye condition can increase as a result of duration of diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, pregnancy, tobacco use, being African. Complications. Diabetic retinopathy involves the abnormal growth of blood vessels in the retina. Complications can lead to serious vision problems. First complication, vitreous hemorrhage. New blood vessels may bleed into the clear, jelly-like substance that fills the center of eye. In severe cases, blood can fill the vitreous cavity and completely block the vision. Second complication, retinal detachment. The abnormal blood vessels associated with diabetic retinopathy stimulate the growth of the scar tissue, which can pull the retina away from the back of the eye. Next complications, glaucoma and blindness. That's all about diabetic retinopathy, and please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos related to pharmacy.